So today we went over hammer locks, copas, inside and outside turn. So we're gonna start first with the outside turn into a hammer lock. We do basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and we prepare with the entire frame. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We ask for the hand, so follows, avoid leaving it here. Go out, open break. 1, 2, 3. Please, my weight is on my left, follows right. She's about to put weight on the left. 5, 6, 7. Before she plays weight on her left, on 1. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. We turn. 5, 6, 7. Yes? I'll do it again from the side. So first, basic. 1, 2, 3. Prepare outside turn hammer lock. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Open break. Copa. 5, 7. Axle turn. 1, 2, 3. Axle follows turn first. 5, 6. We turn after. 7. 1, 2. Frisbee. 5, 6, 7. Yes? Muy bien.